How to increase the font size in your Roblox application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can increase the font size of your Roblox application. So if you have any particular issues regarding the font size, then you can simply change it by following the simple steps. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply click on this option at the bottom right. Once you'll tap onto more, you can scroll down and find the settings option. So simply click onto settings and it will open a new set of menu. Now in this particular menu, choose the last option, that is device preferences. Once you will choose this, you can see this option that says text size. Adjust text size across Roblox according to your preferences. So as here you can see, currently it is set to default. If you want to make it large, you can simply move it towards the right hand side, and here you can see as I'm moving it, the text size is increasing. So that's how easily you can adjust the text size according to your particular needs. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.